Never forget, anytime you pray for the rain, remember you have the mud to deal with. You have the mud to deal with. The rain identifies a lot of things. Rain is essential for life and growth. Yes, but there's still a muddy condition about it. Do you understand? Are you getting a picture of where I'm heading with this talk? Now, I'm sure you understand that having rain and also not expecting your environment to be muddy is a wrong idea. So where I'm heading with this is that we pray a lot of times for good things and good things and good things, but we forget to pray for the challenges we are going to get when these good things are coming. Yes, there are so many challenges. You should not feel confused about it. It's basically what is instructed in our life cycle or growth. Now, the main thing is how you adapt to it. That's the mud. How you adapt to the muddy situations. It involves being mindful of your surroundings. That's the adapting part of it. If you've prayed for good circumstances, you also need to mind your surroundings. You need to be able to conform your mind to adapt to it. What I mean is minding the way you expose your blessings. Yes, exposing your blessings can make individuals to find you as an enemy. Yes, I have noticed it. I have noticed it, and I have also been a victim to it. Exposing your blessings can attract a lot of problems to you. So you also need to pray to be able to adapt muddy conditions. These are the essential things. Growth and life are essential. Praying to be able to protect the growth and life is very, very essential. Well, I have to cut this stuff short for now. If you have questions, remember, you can ask. I'm always here to listen.
Thousands in thousands.